In groves of silver green they sway, ancient trees in light of day, where branches dance and shadows play, and wisdom grows in soil of clay. Imagine a fruit so revered, it has been a symbol of peace, prosperity, and longevity for thousands of years. Welcome to the fascinating world of olives, where history meets health in a way that will change your perspective forever. The olive tree's roots run deep, literally and historically. Originating in the Mediterranean, olives were more than just food. The ancient Greeks crowned their Olympic champions with olive wreaths, and Romans used olive oil as currency in medicine. Even Greek mythology tells us that Athena gifted the olive tree to humanity, securing her place as the goddess of wisdom. Long ago, when the city of Athens was still young, its people faced a dire crisis. The land was dry, the crops were failing, and hunger loomed over the city like a shadow. The citizens prayed to the gods for salvation, and two mighty deities answered their call: Poseidon, the god of the sea, and Athena, the goddess of wisdom and warfare. Poseidon, eager to win the favor of the Athenians, struck the ground with his mighty trident. A spring erupted, but to everyone's dismay, the water was as salty as the sea itself. It was useless for drinking or irrigation, and the people's hope began to fade. Then, Athena stepped forward. With quiet confidence, she knelt and planted a single olive tree into the dry, cracked soil. The crowd watched in awe as the tree grew before their eyes, its silvery leaves shimmering in the sunlight. Its roots digging deep into the earth. The olive tree flourished, providing the Athenians with food, oil, and wood. Olives could be eaten fresh or preserved, and their oil became a staple for cooking, lighting lamps, and even as a base for medicines. The tree's wood was strong and durable, perfect for building homes and tools. Athena's gift was not just a source of sustenance, it was a symbol of peace, prosperity, and resilience. Fruit of peace, so small and round, in nets and baskets gently found, their ripening marked without a sound, as seasons turn in cycles bound. King Cecrops, the ruler of Athens, declared Athena the winner of the contest. From that day forward, she became the city's patron goddess, and the olive tree became a sacred symbol of Athens. The people built the Parthenon in her honor, and named the city of Athens in her integrity. And the olive branch became a universal emblem of peace and hope. Athena's gift didn't just save the ancient Athenians from hunger, it laid the foundation for a legacy that continues to this day. The olive tree remains a vital part of Mediterranean culture, its fruits and oil cherished for their flavor and health benefits. Ancient physicians, including Hippocrates, considered olive oil the great healer, and used it for various remedies, from pain relief to skin treatments. The Romans took olive cultivation to new heights, using olive oil not just for food, but also as fuel for lamps, a base for perfumes, and even as a form of currency. It was so valuable that it was often referred to as liquid gold. Today, olive cultivation continues across the globe, blending ancient traditions with modern techniques. But the core remains the same, nurturing these resilient trees to produce the finest olives. From the briny tang of a green olive to the rich, earthy flavor of a kalamata, the diversity is astounding. Each variety boasts its own unique nutritional profile. The magic ingredient? Oleic acid, a monounsaturated fatty acid, which can help lower cholesterol. And let's not forget the polyphenols, powerful antioxidants that have anti-inflammatory effects. Olives are also a good source of vitamin E, another antioxidant superstar. Studies have shown that the compounds in olives and olive oil can lower the risk of chronic diseases, such as heart disease, diabetes, and even certain cancers. Plus, they're great for your gut health, thanks to their natural probiotic properties. What makes olives so special? The monounsaturated fats in olives help lower bad cholesterol and reduce inflammation. Plus, they support bone health with calcium and phosphorus, and even aid in weight management. Health benefits of olives. Heart health. Olives and olive oil are packed with monounsaturated fats and polyphenols, which help lower bad cholesterol, reduce inflammation, and keep your arteries flexible. No wonder the Mediterranean diet is linked to lower heart disease rates. Brain booster. Rich in antioxidants, especially vitamin E, olives protect the brain from oxidative stress and may even lower the risk of Alzheimer's disease. A daily drizzle of extra virgin olive oil could be your brain's best friend. Gut and immune support. Olives contain natural probiotics and compounds that support digestion and strengthen immunity. They're not just tasty, they're a gut health powerhouse. Skin and longevity. Ancient beauty secret. Antioxidants and healthy fats in olives help combat aging, hydrate skin, and even fight off harmful UV damage. Cleopatra herself was rumored to have used olive oil in her beauty routine. Pressed to gold that flows like light, liquid treasure, pure and bright, that graced the lamps through ancient night, and blessed the meals with deep delight. Ancient olive oil face mask for radiant skin. Herb inspired by the beauty rituals of Cleopatra and the Greek goddesses. Ingredients. 1 tablespoon extra virgin olive oil, cold pressed, 1 teaspoon raw honey, 1 teaspoon finely ground oat flour, or grind whole oats into powder. Optional. A few drops of rose water or frankincense oil for added aroma and skin calming properties. Directions. In a small bowl, mix the olive oil and honey until smooth. Stir in the oat flour to create a paste. Add a few drops of rose water or frankincense oil if desired. Apply gently to your clean face, avoiding the eyes. Relax for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse off with warm water and pat your skin dry. Benefits. Olive oil deeply nourishes and protects against aging with its vitamin E and polyphenols. Rose water, frankincense brings calm, balance, and an ancient luxury touch. Cosmetics and grooming. Ancient Greeks used olive oil on their bodies and hair for grooming and health purposes. Hair mask for growing healthy long hair. 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 tablespoon of raw honey. Directions. Mix olive oil with honey, apply on the roots, wait for an hour and wash it off. You can use this mask twice per week. It's a testament to the power of olives, these little fruits. From leafy green to purple black, along time's patient, winding track, neither sweetness do they lack, nor bitterness that brings us back. How can you get more olives into your life? Snack on them whole, add them to salads, blend them into tapenade, or cook with high-quality extra virgin olive oil. Just remember, quality matters. Always go for cold-pressed, organic, and extra virgin varieties when choosing olive oil. Recipe: ancient olive oil and raw honey cakes. Ingredients: 1 cup olive oil, extra virgin for best flavor, 1/2 cup honey, raw or local honey, 2 large eggs, 1½ cups whole wheat flour, or spelt flour for a more ancient feel, 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon ground cloves, 1/2 teaspoon ground nutmeg, 1/4 teaspoon ground ginger, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda. Pinch of salt, 1/2 cup water, or more, depending on consistency. For the honey syrup, to drizzle, 1/2 cup honey, 1/4 cup water, 1 tablespoon olive oil. Instructions. Prepare the honey cake batter. In a large mixing bowl, whisk together the olive oil and honey until well combined. Add the eggs, one at a time, and whisk them in until smooth. In a separate bowl, combine the whole wheat flour, cinnamon, cloves, nutmeg, ginger, baking soda, and salt. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients, mixing gently until combined. Add water a little at a time, mixing until the batter reaches a thick, smooth consistency. If the batter is too thick, add a little more water until it's pourable but not runny. Optionally, fold in lemon zest for an extra layer of flavor. Bake the cakes. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Pour the batter into the molds, filling them about 2/3 of the way full. Bake for 20-25 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean and the tops are golden. Make the honey syrup. While the cakes are baking, prepare the honey syrup. In a small saucepan, combine honey, water, and olive oil. Heat over medium-low heat, stirring until the honey is dissolved, and the mixture starts to simmer gently. Let it cook for about 5 minutes, then remove from heat. Do not boil. If you like a little citrus brightness, add a squeeze of lemon juice to the syrup. Drizzle the syrup. Once the cakes are baked and have cooled slightly, drizzle the warm honey syrup over them. Let the syrup soak in, and repeat with any remaining syrup for extra sweetness. They are beautifully sweet, lightly spiced, and have a wonderful moistness from the olive oil. This simple yet delicious dessert reflects ancient Mediterranean flavors, where olive oil and honey were often paired to create indulgent yet humble healthy treats. Do you use olives in your diet? And what is your favorite recipe with olives? Please write in the comments section below. O olive, humble on the bough, yet crowned in legends even now, to your quiet strength we bow, as you teach us patience, show us how. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.